What if I told you these vacations could be 100% paid for? Imagine stocks quietly dumping cash into your account. Today, I'll reveal 3 dividend giants that'll fund your 2025 travels. Dividends are your invisible travel agent. Invest $10K in these stocks and earn $500-700 a year for flights and hotels. No extra work. Just enjoy quarterly payouts. First up is Realty Income, known as the monthly rent collector. This REIT owns 13,000 properties like Walgreens and 7-Eleven. You'll get dividends every month at a yield of 5.8%. With a $10K investment, that's $58 a month to cover your Airbnb in Thailand. Why invest now? A commercial real estate crash means a great buying opportunity. Next, we have Enbridge, the energy cash machine. It operates 17% of North America's oil pipelines. Profits are locked in by 20-year contracts. It offers a yield of 7.3%. Invest $10K and you'll see $70-30 a month. That funds flights to Mexico. Plus, it's inflation-proof since tariffs rise with the Consumer Price Index. Lastly, there's AGNC Investment, the 12% yield hidden gem. This company invests in U.S. government-backed mortgages. The current yield is 12.4%. $10K will give you $124 a month to finance luxury resorts in Portugal. A significant catalyst is anticipated Fed rate cuts in 2025, leading to a surge in bond prices. Now, let me break down how to start your travel fund in 3 simple steps. First, open a brokerage account through firms like Fidelity or Schwab with $0 fees. Second, buy $500 of each stock. Fractional shares are allowed. Third, reinvest your dividends until 2025 and then withdraw for travel. A quick risk warning: never chase yield alone. AGNC is volatile and should only make up 5% of your portfolio. Diversify using ETFs like SCHD. This isn't financial advice. It's crucial to do your own research. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly wealth-building strategies.